Then one of the most common structure which is used in Indian market is called Seagull. Okay, Seagull is nothing but in the call spread, if you add a leg, then it becomes a Seagull. Which leg do you add? Say, let's take the call spread number 5. 82.5 to 84 is the protection you have. You are protected at 82.5 till 84. But if rupee moves to 80, 79, 78, you get all the benefits, right? And your cost is 47 paisa. What is pinching you the most in this option? Option number 5, call spread. Buy call at 82.5, protected at 82.5 to 84. And if rupee appreciates, you get the benefit. Or for that matter, the option number 4, protected at 83 till 85. If rupee appreciates, you get the benefit. And the cost is around 45, 47 paisa. What is the issue with this option? Absolutely, that is one. And let's say you accept that risk. There is another problem with this option. You are also worried that this cost is on the higher side, right? Or for that matter, you take the Seagull of 81.75 to 83.5. Okay, and you check the cost, it's 72 paisa. It's a very high cost, right? So there is an objective to reduce cost. Can I reduce the cost to around 20, 25 paisa, 15, 20, 25 paisa? Then what people say is that you do not want the benefit so much. Like if rupee appreciates, you want to enjoy till 81, till 80.5, maybe till 80, but you don't want to benefit if it goes to 79. You are happy even if it goes to 80.5, which is the case with most importers, right? When you placed your order, you did your costing at, let's say, 81.5. If you get 1 rupee better than that, you are happy. You are not too greedy that I want 75 or 79 or 78, right? So what you do here is you go to the importer Seagull. And what happens in importer Seagull? It's like this. You buy call at 81.75, sell call at 83.5, and you also sell a put. You sell a put means you give up your right to enjoy the benefit from rupee appreciation beyond the point. You say that if it goes to 80.5, I'm happy if I get 80.5. And that reduces your cost from 72 paisa to 42 paisa. See, the next one, you say, okay, I want to be protected from 82.5 to 84. And if rupee goes to 80.5, I don't want more benefit than that. Okay, that will cost you how much? So the cost will come down from 48 paisa to 18 paisa. Nice. And if we say that, okay, 83 to 85, at least the safety feeling is a bit more. And on the lower side till 80, how much will this one cost? This will cost 23 paisa. So you are keeping yourself protected from 83 to 85, which is a risky area. Up to 82.5, maybe you can absorb, and you want to retain your right till 80. Your cost is 24. So this is the way you can decide what structure you want.